Hey, I'm Robert Todd, and I am teaching hands-on with generative AI at Ollie this summer. It's going to be fun. We're going to learn how large language models like ChatGPT and Gemini and Claude work and how they're made, and so that you understand a little bit about what they can do and not do. We're going to learn how to use them safely and expertly, and how to use them as research assistants and companions and tools to really learn amazing amounts of stuff about just about anything that you want to learn. They are really some fantastic tools, and we're going to take 4 weeks to really dive in and practice how you can use them and get the most out of them. So you should do that because you're a smart member of society, and we want you to have all the advantages of these fabulous technologies, and you're going to be fascinated by what they can do. And it is just a preview of what's coming our way in the next months and years. So I hope you join the class and come and explore with us and learn fun and useful things.